country, and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country, and I am proud of its rich and very very deep. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall respect my parents, teachers, and elders. I shall treat everyone with courtesy to my country and my people, and place my devotion in their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Thank you, sir.